Are you suffering from poverty? Imagine transforming yourself from struggling to achieving financial success within 6 months. Sounds impossible, right? Well, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's all about your mindset and attitude towards money, which holds you back. Let's discuss the difference between a poor and a rich mindset. People with a poor mindset always think they're doomed to be poor. That's exactly what will happen. They think that rich people are greedy, evil, and dishonest, so they will remain poor to prove their false beliefs. If you want to become rich, you must change this mentality. Because being rich is not good or bad. It's people who are good or bad. A person with a rich mindset believes he can create wealth, no matter the situation. He sees opportunities where others see obstacles. He thinks that he deserves success. So what you can do to change these limiting beliefs? Start by identifying thoughts that hold you back. Like, I will never become rich. It's too late to get started. I will die poor. Or investing is too risky for me. Change these thoughts with positive affirmations like, I am rich. I love being rich. Money comes to me easily. Or visualize yourself as a millionaire. These small mental shifts improve your attitude towards money. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He didn't start rich. His mindset was always focused on learning and growing. You must invest in yourself because true wealth isn't just about a lot of money. It's about building a strong foundation of knowledge, values, and relationships. Elon Musk is a prime example of this. He invested heavily in his education and skills. He didn't just stop at making money. He focused on innovating and building relationships that helped him grow further. Let's try to understand finances because it is important for making money. Basic financial literacy involves how to budget, save, and invest. For those new to this, I recommend starting with books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or listening to podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show. These resources can provide valuable insights. Now, let's talk about practical strategies which will help you to become successful. Number 1. Create a budget. Budgeting creates accountability. It helps you track all your income and expenses. Categorize your spending to see where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture in your mind, set realistic limits for each category and stick to them. Remember, the goal is not just to cut expenses, but to allocate resources for achieving financial goals. Number 2. Find opportunities and increase your income. In today's gig economy, a side hustle can be a game changer. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or selling products online, find something you're passionate about and try to monetize it. Number 3. Start investing. Once you've increased your income, the next step is to invest wisely. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Start by understanding different types of investments, like stocks, real estate, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies. If you're new to investing, consider starting with small amounts in index funds or ETFs. Remember, don't let your money sleep. Your goal is to make your money work for you, which can lead you towards financial freedom. Number 4. Building valuable connections through networking and mentorship. Networking is a powerful tool for building wealth. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people and mentors can open doors you never knew existed. Start by joining local business groups or online communities related to your field. Websites like LinkedIn or Meetup are great places to find networking events and groups. Finally, never stop learning. Attend seminars or workshops focused on finance and business. These events can offer direct access to experts and like-minded individuals. For example, people like Warren Buffett and Tony Robbins often share their wisdom through talks and books. By seeking advice and learning from their experience, you can avoid common pitfalls and fast-track your path to success. Remember, the more knowledge you have, the better decisions you'll make. Now it's time for you to take action. Start implementing these steps immediately and watch how your financial condition changes over the next 6 months. Share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.